Okay everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a pyramid wall shelf. Okay, first of all we have to make the existing wall with a rectangle and push it up until maybe around 3 meter. So then we have to make the polygon, and then we can make sure that the segment are 3 segment. You can see the sides just like this. And if you still on 6 segment, you have to press Control and minus. If you on 2 segment, you have to press Control and plus. Okay, so I have already set with the 3 sides set like this, and then we can make the radius around 300 millimeter approximately. Okay, just something like this, and then we have to click it all, and we can duplicate it again. First we have to move and duplicate it forward. Okay, just something like this. Okay, so then we can push it to the front just around 15 millimeter, and we can set the line in the radius point here. We can set the perpendicular line, and we can set this line anyway. Okay, we can set this position. We can set this position, and okay, and it's done anyway. So then after that we can delete it, and we have to push it to forward, and we can push it forward also, just something like this. Okay, and then we can just make it group, and we can delete it first. So we have to move it until it touch the wall. So then we can set the material. We can use wood material maybe for this. Okay, so then we have to move. Maybe we have to make component first, create, and then we have to move and press Control, and then we have to flip it along with the right axis. Then we have to move and duplicate it here, and we can move, duplicate it here. I'm sorry. We can move and duplicate it here and in another position anyway. Okay, I think it's done about the arrangement of the pyramid wall shelf. I hope it will be a benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next video in this channel. Thank you.